If the bike is so cheap that it's too good to be true, it's so cheap for a reason, and the battery is a primary cost on a lot of those bikes.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Parts Talk. Today we're going to be talking about the concerns being raised about lithium ion batteries. Now, having worked in parts supply for a number of years, it allowed me to be exposed to genuine and non-genuine parts. You will hear a little about it in this video right here, which will be in the description box below. Let's get right into it.
This Vancouver bike store, if you bring in a non-name brand bike for repairs, prepare to pick it up before they close for the day.
We will not keep that e-bike in our store overnight because we have no idea about the battery.
Dragon is worried about poor quality lithium ion batteries that can become unstable and catch fire.
Now, this wasn't the case for cars though. Capitalism has allowed strict competition, a vast amount of competition and lots of it. Now we are being exposed to a fair amount of safety issues for these e-bikes.
He says they're associated with lower priced e-bikes and e-scooters.
If the bike is so cheap that it's too good to be true, it's so cheap for a reason, and the battery is a primary cost on a lot of those bikes.
As e-bikes have grown more popular, battery fires have become more frequent, and concern is growing. Fire officials from New York to Vancouver are reminding the public of potential dangers. This weekend, those dangers turned deadly in the downtown east side. A fire erupted at the Empress Hotel, a single-room occupancy building.
Now, gone are the days when one could acquire a mode of transport from a reputable dealer. Now, it seems anyone can sell a mode of transport over the internet. So, anyone can basically become a dealer. Websites of dealers are all over the place, right? And on every single shop, social media outlet, you can actually find one. Anything with wheels, believe it or not, can be delivered right at your doorsteps.
Investigations determined that it was a battery from an electric bike.
One person died after they fell from a second-floor window and 2 others were injured. Officials say the battery was overcharged and modified, something people do to make it last longer, a dangerous move according to experts.
Lithium-ion batteries have limitations as to how quickly you can take energy out or put energy back in. If you take it out faster than the cell is capable, it overheats. If you put it back in faster than the cell can accept that energy, it overheats.
But I'm sure a lot of these bikes, they do come with manuals advising persons of the safety issue, but human nature, a lot of us, we don't read the manuals. Even for our cars, we don't read the manuals. Now, even with a car, to go back, we have been modifying naturally aspirated engines stocked from factory to go even faster. So batteries, believe it or not, are usually stored in a cool, dry place, but once it's in use, it's really difficult to ascertain how they will react under immense pressure based on their environment.
His advice is to always use the same charger that came with your device and charge in a place where you can get away safely if anything does happen. While the risk of fire is low, Dragon is still careful with his instructions to customers, starting with never charging it overnight.
Are you going to have an issue? Probably not. The chargers will shut themselves off, but everything can malfunction.
As they say, better to be safe than sorry.
If you go to 2 common sites, eBay or Amazon, you will see thousands of batteries to choose from. And it's more about affordability than not so much about quality, believe it or not. But even with the charger, if the charger gets damaged and you want to replace your charger, then you're going to want to go on Amazon again or eBay and replace it with, not, if you can't afford the original, then you're going to go to something that is affordable based on your budget. Now, with the pressure from rising fuel prices and an increase in the price of electric cars, believe it or not, it is going to be more common for these e-bike sales to increase, and it will be an ongoing thing where battery fires are concerned. Brand or no brand, believe it or not. But let me know in the comments, Remember to grab a copy of my ebook, The Parts Manager Guide. Smash that like button on your way out. It will only take you 1.5 seconds to do so. Until next time.